change of mobile computing into new classes of devices. We have bet very early on this field that, technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality could fundamentally change many of the experiences, and 5G actually bring that to reality. As you can actually connect those devices to the cloud, you bring the power of the cloud, and that could be yet a brand new computing platform for mobile. And that's the future of the evolution of mobile platform. And with that, we're announcing today the reference design for the XR2 5G connected platform. This is one that's been designed into a lot of the world leaders, and now we provide a reference design so developers can start thinking about having content created as well. We're going to scale this with 5G connectivity.
Well, first, congratulations on all the launches today. We're super excited about the XR2 platform. Our vision with a lot of the work we're doing with AR and VR is really to move from there, that is a starting point, a transformational experience, to now make it ubiquitous with sort of like allowing you to teleport yourself from anywhere, anytime. And that's really where the connectivity, again, of 5G and the ubiquity of it is going to be fundamental to achieve that vision.
We want to talk about redefining productivity. And that's another major transformation enabled by 5G. Consumers in the more modern workforce, they're changing, and they're changing because of the smartphone-driven experience and expectations. I will give you a data point which it is incredible, and I think it's been taken for granted. When we look at this data point, we at Qualcomm have no doubt in our minds that the future is about an always connected PC. Today, 83% of the enterprise workloads are in the cloud. We have been very focused in driving that experience with our Snapdragon mobile compute platforms to deliver that always-on connected performance with not all-day battery life, multi-day battery life, to actually meet the needs of the workforce and consumers of tomorrow in the all cloud connected world. And with that, we couldn't do it alone. We needed a part with the world's leader. And we're very proud to have here with us on stage Mark Linton, the General Manager of Portfolio and Solutions of Microsoft. Please welcome Mark. Last year, 2019, we introduced the world's first 5G PC platform on the HCX to transform the premium mobile experience. But at the very end of the year in December, we introduced two new platforms, 8C and 7C, to basically drive this experience for mainstream and entry-level mobile PCs. And the whole idea is to create a complete compute portfolio that we can actually take this to the modern workforce.
For us, this is a big opportunity where we see our PC customers being unleashed and having connectivity everywhere. And of course, we're working with Qualcomm to do that, because having an always connected PC with all of that kind of IP and engineering capability built right into the chassis, we think is a huge offering to customers. As you look at mid-range and entry price points, you open up to tens of millions more customers and new scenarios there that we didn't have access to before.
It's really about getting this for everyone. We're announcing today that 17 mobile operators around the world are supporting our 5G PC connected initiative, and they're engaging and offer their customers. We have a demo that we want to share with you so you can actually see the power of the 5G PC for yourself.
Today we're showing a technology demonstration using Adobe Premiere Pro over 5G on a Windows Virtual Desktop to edit uncompressed 6K RED video on the Lenovo Yoga 5G PC. Whether it's video editing or working with complex CAD projects, you can now do this virtually anywhere with incredible battery life and 5G connectivity, and all thanks to the Snapdragon compute platform.
And really our mission for students is to empower students globally to achieve more and achieve their potential. But of course, you can't achieve your potential today if you're not connected to the internet. So we're working with Qualcomm and some of the industry's leading partners in this space to address the issue. These devices are on the Qualcomm 7C compute platform, which is the entry-level platform, but it gives great performance, all-day battery life, and connectivity built in. So just these simple solutions with new, modern devices from some of the industry-leading partners who understand these customers best, we can really change students' lives for the better and, again, reduce that digital divide.
This is the reason many of us here at Qualcomm, we come to work every day, because the technology we do actually can change the society. We talk a lot today about how we're thinking about the evolution of 5G technology, how we get new modem technology, new speed, new services, new devices, new experience. But for all of this to happen, you need the evolution of the networks to 5G. We have spent a lot of time and effort developing technologies that can actually, and products that could augment our existing partners in building those capabilities. And we're announcing today our 5G RAN expansion of our ecosystem, as our FSM solution has been part of very interesting, modern, low total cost of ownership, very efficient for the acquisition of new sites, base stations for 5G. And we're showing the expansion of our ecosystem, where you see a significant expansions of industry leaders. They're now looking into the platform to help them build a RAN. And that's, a natural expansion of Qualcomm, especially as you look of the opportunities that you have as you have a completely rebuilt and an expansion of the 5G infrastructure. It's my great pleasure to bring to space the CEO of Rakuten, Miki Mikitani.
I think the reason why we are here is there are lots of controversy about is this virtualized radio access network is real or not. We completely disaggregated hardware and software in 18 months. And we are about to launch our full commercial service as of April 8th in Japan. We intend to export what we have built outside of Japan as well. So Rakuten Mobile is not just about Japanese mobile network operator service, but we want to become, together with Qualcomm and others, global MNO platform service.
I've been coming to this campus, Cristiano, for many, many years. I must say I come here to learn and inspire. I consider many of Qualcomm engineers an education institute for me personally. We had a choice, and the choice that we had, you build a network the likes of every other network, or you build a network the likes of none. In Rakuten world, it's about a different story, simplification. We wanted to remove completely electronics from the site. We want to remove the electronics and remove the dependency from hardware to shift everything into software. So if you look at our architecture today is truly the world first commercial Open RAN deployment today across any telco. It is running at scale, so it is absolutely real. It's not pie in the sky. It is delivering capacity that is unprecedented. It is delivering cost savings that is unimaginable. The relationship with Qualcomm, for me personally, is special. For our company is special, not just about devices. I think many people also don't understand that Qualcomm actually supplies infrastructure. Firstly, in millimeter wave, we do believe this technology has amazing potential, and we're still scratching the surface. We don't believe 5G could be deployed in one spectrum band. I think that 5G needs to be deployed in multi-duple band. Without millimeter wave, I don't think you will achieve the promise of throughput and capacity that you require to support tomorrow's application. Thanks for all Qualcomm team engineering support and effort during this journey. And I'm still saying that we're still together scratching the surface. Cannot wait for the future of how we build and bridge the gap between old and new.
We want to take time talking about how excited we are about the evolution of 5G and Wi-Fi together as we transition to Wi-Fi 6. Cellular and Wi-Fi are here to stay. And it's about thinking how to have those technologies that are going to be part of the future of the internet. The decision's been already being made a long time ago. The last mile access of the internet is wireless. And we are basically continue to invest in how to make Wi-Fi better and how to make Wi-Fi also an integral part of many of the use cases side by side with 5G. We're spending a lot of time building end-to-end experiences. As we transition as an industry to Wi-Fi 6, there are now over 200 designs of access points with Qualcomm networking technology. And that actually what gave us the network heritage to build 5G cells as easy as Wi-Fi access point as described by Rakuten. And we're now connecting that with over 70 designs of Wi-Fi 6 in our Snapdragon 865 platform. There's a new technology called Fast Connect, and that is driving significant performance enhancements. And with that, we're making an announcement today that we're actually bringing 6 gigahertz to Wi-Fi. With Wi-Fi 6E, we're driving the evolution of Wi-Fi to 6E, adding 1.2 gigahertz of additional spectrum, pushing the envelope further with Wi-Fi. And we're very happy to announce that today. It's not about one company being the leader and responsible for everything. It's about the ecosystem that's really winning in 5G through collaboration. Thank you very much for attending, and you will see Qualcomm everywhere you see 5G.